Kailangan may ganyan kami sa bahay.
Perfect. Galing. Wow! Ganda. Ganda ng sulat mo. Maganda pa yung sulat mo sa akin eh. Maganda pa yung sulat mo sa akin. Nakabaligtad pa yan. Very good. Wow.
Okay.
Very good.
But I know I don't give it a point at all.